Hello everyone, welcome to Skillify. Next topic here we are going to say is operators in Python. First of all, what does operator means? Operators are used to perform some operations using values or variables. Operators is used to perform some operations or calculations using values inside the variables. This is what the definitions for the operators. In Python, we are having some specific operators, arithmetic. Yeah, we'll see one by one. First thing is arithmetic operators. Operators is nothing but we can perform some operations or mathematical calculations using the values inside the variables. First, we are going to see arithmetic operators. Yeah, in arithmetic operators, we are having some specific functions, that is plus, minus, multiplication, division, floor division, and exponentiation. So these are all the operators which we are having under arithmetic operators. We'll see some examples in this. The first thing is, here I am creating one variable, a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20. For performing addition operation, we can have two methods. First thing is, we can create one variable c. Inside that, I am performing addition operation by using that plus symbol. That is a plus b. It will add 10 plus 20. Because we have c, it will perform the calculation using values inside the variables. 10 is the value inside the variable and 20 is the value inside the variable b. So just I am adding a plus b. So it will add 10 plus 20 here. Just I am printing c. So while running this code, we will get 30 here. The another one method is print a plus b. Inside the print statement itself, we can perform these operations like a plus b and it will also print 30 as the output. This is the two ways by which we can able to do this operation. The next thing is minus. Print a minus b. So a minus b will subtract 10 from 20 and will display the output as minus 10. The next thing is multiplication. For multiplication, we will represent this as star. A star B means it will multiply the both values which is in A and B. So that is 200. 10 into 20, that is 200. The next thing is A divided by B. So 10 divided by 20. It will display the quotient value. The next thing is exponentiation. Exponentiation is nothing but power values. A star star B means 10 star star 20. This is what the job. So 10, the power of 20 means how many times? Here I am giving some small values. 2 and 3. So it means 2 to the power of 3. That is 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. It will display the output as 8. The last thing is floor division. What is floor division? The normal division will give you the quotient value, but the floor division will give you the remainder value. So I'm running this. It will display the value as 0. Okay, this is what the, here I'm giving some other values. 8. So while running this, we will get the remainder value. In the normal division, we will get quotient, and in the floor division, we will get the remainder value. This is the process we are having in arithmetic operators. Again, I will go through that arithmetic functions. In arithmetic functions, we are having addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division, and exponentiation. Here we can perform by two methods. We can create one separate variable and we will do that operation inside that variable and will print that. Or else we can do inside the print statement itself. So in the first statement, I am creating the new variable c and I am doing the addition performance, that is a plus b, and just I am printing the value c. The another one thing is I am directly performing the addition operation inside the print statement itself. The next thing is a minus b, that is doing subtraction, star is for multiplication, slash is for division, and star star for exponentiation, that is power, 8 power 3. So the next thing is floor division. It will display the a remainder value. So this is what arithmetic operators. Stand commanding this. To command the multiple lines, we can use control and backslash, which is in question mark button. The next operator is assignment operators. So by the name itself, we can see it will have some assignment work. That is, a is equal to 10 means the value which holds a is which a is equal to 10 means 10 is assigned to the variable a. This is for the assignment operators. In the assignment operators, we are having specific operations equal to, plus is equal to, minus is equal to, star is equal to, slash is equal to, exponentiation equal to, and floor division is equal to. These are all the functions which we are having under assignment operators. So here I am doing the same function. A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 3. Wonderful. First thing is equal to. Equal to means assignment operator. That is 2 is assigned to the variable A. So directly I am printing this A. While running this code, we will get the value as 2. The next thing is plus is equal to. For example, if I am giving A plus is equal to 2 means the real function for A plus equal to 2 is A is equal to A plus 2. This is what the function. To instead of writing this, we will write this as A plus is equal to 2. But the operation here is A is equal to A plus 2. Instead of writing the statement, we can write as A plus is equal to 2. So here I am giving A plus equal to 2 means A is equal to A plus 2. Same. I am giving print A means just it will add 2 along with 2. That is A value is 2. It will add 2 more values with that. So the output will be 4. If I am giving minus means A minus is equal to 2. This is for A is equal to A minus 2. Just I am printing the variable A. So it will display the output as 0. Sorry, 2. That is the current value for A is 4 because I have added here another one variable. So if I am commenting this, we'll get the value as 0. The next thing is multiplication. So A is equal A star is equal to 2. The current value for A is 2. So just I am multiplying that, print A. The function for this is A is equal to A star 2. So the current value for A is 2. Then again it will multiply 2 with 2. So the value is 4 here. The next thing is division. A divided by is equal to 2. A is equal to A divided by 2. So here I am printing A. Now the value for A is 4. 4 divided by 2 is, again the value will display as 2. The next thing is exponentiation. A star star equal to 2. So this is nothing but A is equal to A star star 2. The current value for A is 2 and it will display 2 power 2. Print A. So it will display the value as 4. The last thing is floor division. A is A slash slash equal to 2. So A is equal to A slash slash 2. This will display the remainder part. So the current value for A is 4. 4 divided by 2. What is the remainder means 2? That will display as the floor division value. So A plus is equal to 2 is nothing but A is equal to A plus 2. By the same way, this multiplication, division, subtraction, exponentiation, floor division are working. This is what the assignment operators in Python. So just I am commenting this and we'll go with the next operator. Okay, the next operator is comparison operators. Comparison operators. Actually, what is the comparison operators means? There will be the two values and we can compare that. In the comparison operators, we are having specific operations, that is equal to, less than equal to, greater than equal to, and less than, and greater than, and not equal to, not equal to. These are all the functions we are having under comparison operators. Here I am having a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 3. So just I am printing, print a is equal to b. But it will check whether both a and b has the same value. If it is true, it will display the output as true. So if it is false, means that it will display the output as false. So here a equal to b is not satisfied because a has the value 2 but b has a value 3. So it will display the value as false. If I am giving true for both, means it will display the value as true because both are same. The next thing is print a is greater than b. So it will check whether a is greater than b. No, here a is not greater than b, so it will display the output as false. The next statement is print a is less than b. So here the condition is true because a is less than b. So it will display the output as true. Next thing is a is less than or equal to b. This is nothing but it should less than b or it can be equal to b. Here a is less than b's condition is true, so it will display the value as true. If I am giving print a is greater than or equal to b, means it will display false because a is not greater than b and a is not equal to b. If I am giving 3, means it will display the output as true because a is greater than or equal to. It is not greater than b but it is equal to b. Then it will display the output as true. The last thing is not equal to. A is not equal to b. Yeah, the condition is true. Both the values are different, so it will display the value as true. This is the way we can compare this. We will work on this after seeing the if statements because it will be fine for us to get better knowledge in the comparison operators after seeing looping statements. So this is the third operator, which is a comparison operators. And the fourth operator is logical operators. Logical operators, we are having 3 parts in logical operators: and, or, and not. First we'll see and. What is and? And is nothing but if both the condition is true, it will display the value as true, or else it is false. But for or, if any one of the condition is true, it will display the result as true. Last thing is not. It is a vice versa. Vice versa. Okay, first we'll see what is and. For example, if I'm giving x is equal to or a is equal to 25. So here I'm checking print a is greater than 20 and a is less than 10. So here I'm using comparison operators, that is greater than. A is greater than 20 is true, but a is less than 10 is false. And the condition for and is if both the condition is true, it will display the result as true. So this condition is a false condition, so it will display the result as false. Because A is greater than 20 is a true condition, but A is less than 10 is a false condition. If I am giving A is greater than 10. So here A is greater than 20 is a true condition and A is greater than 10 is also a true condition. So while running this, it will display the value as true. This is what the performance of and. If both the conditions are true, it will display the output as true. Here A is greater than 20 is also a true condition and A is greater than 10 is also a true condition. If I'm giving like this now, A is less than 2, 10 is a false condition, so it will display the output as false. So just I'm changing only one keyword here, or. Okay, and in this case, A is 20 is a true condition, but A is less than 10 is a false condition. But the condition for or is if any one of the condition is true, it will display the result as true. So here A is 20 is a true condition, so it will display the output as true. This is what the difference between and or. And will display the result as true even when both the condition is true, or else it will display the output as false. But in the or condition, it will display the output as true even if one of the condition is true. So here A is greater than 20 is a true condition. If I am giving A is less than 20, here both the condition will get failed. So it will display the output as false. So this is what the performance of or. The last thing is not. Have to use the not here. And A is greater than 20 and A is less than 30. So it's greater than 20 is a true condition. A is less than 30 is also a true condition. So here I'm using AND operator. So the output is true for this case. But in front I have given not. Not will transfer true as a false and false as a true. Here the condition is true. A is greater than 20 and A is less than 30. So here I am using AND operator. So the condition is true. But in front we are having not. So it will change the output as false. So if I'm giving A is less than 20, here the A is less than 20 condition is a false case and A is less than 30 is a true case. But I'm using AND here. So it is a false one. But in front of that we are having not. So it will transfer false into true. This is what the not case. I think you guys will get some idea in logical operators.